Good morning. It is 7 a.m. Monday, January 12th. We're doing a 2-box, lots of pack break, 14, 13, and 12. I didn't have to list any, so that was nice. We got J-Wags with the 49ers, XX07 with the Ravens, Seahawks, or Redskins. I got to keep a bunch. Derek has Jags, Steelers, Packers, Chiefs. Josh has Eagles, Vikings, Browns, Bengals. Keith has Colts, Giants, Falcons, Panthers. He has Raiders, Saints, Rams, Texans, Cardinals, Lions. Phil has Patriots, and Roy has Broncos and Bears. So those are the teams. I'm going to get started with these rack packs, which so far have not yielded much, but who knows? They have exclusive green metallic autos, so that means that they have to be in these packs. So let's do a couple, and then yeah, no viewers. Thought Derek might be able to watch. Do 3 at a time. Okay, first 3 packs. Thought I saw something, but Dan Purser, Jeremy Ebert, Michael James, Dontari Poe. We got Doug Martin Blue, Marquise Mays, Chris Givens, Mark Barron, Ryan Tannehill, Agnew, Kirk Cousins, Blue, TJ Graham Blue, blue parallel I will ship to send to everybody. Since people have a bunch of teams this break, we won't count them as hits or anything. Like one. Okay, come on, at least a numbered card, Jesus. We got Nick Foles. Another Kirk Cousins Blue. Alfonso Denard Blue. Travis Lewis Blue. Jesus, give us a numbered card. Another third Kirk Cousins Blue. They're not getting very creative. Shoot. Yeah, I expected a little better with these guys. Why not? Last pack. Alright, fingers crossed. Opal, Miller, right, Lindley, Ebert, blue. Did it snow? It did snow a little. Cheekley, blue. Agnew, blue. Oh, that sucks. Okay. Hopefully for those ones. Guess in the future I don't buy those. I thought there would be some nice, at least numbered cards in them somewhere, but okay, we will go with this one next. 2013 Gameday Gallery 4-on-card autos. I pulled some awesome ones. We pulled the 101 out of one of these. We haven't had a double pack yet, still looking for that guy. We had one of the other press box, but one pack. So it'll be 4 on-card autos, $1.99 or less. Get my sleeves and uploaders ready. Good luck to everybody. First card. Alec Ogletree, which we already got as 101 for those viewing. 50 out of 94. Not sure who got the Rams. I would guess E. It was E. There you go, E. Alec Ogletree out of 94. Next card. $12 out of 50. Rex Burkhead. He is a Bengal. He actually played in the playoff game, had some nice plays. Which I wasn't even sure he was on the team, but he is. He's kind of a third back, but passing back, but at least got in there in the playoffs. Rex Burkhead, that is going to the Bengals, which the Bengals are going to Josh with the Bengals. Okay, we got 2 guys with 2 hits. Here's a 3rd guy. Marcus Wheaton for Derek. For the Steelers out of 99. On-card auto. Marcus Wheaton, 13 out of 99. And your last auto in this box is a Buccaneer, one of who I have a bunch of, but I get another one. Mike Glennon out of 40. Sorry I kept the Bucs, man. They had too many guys not to keep after you guys didn't want them for a while. Empty pack. Mike Glennon out of 40. 21 out of 40. I don't think that he's going to get much of another chance to play, but who knows. Okay, last box. So we got Josh and E and Derek all with hits and myself. Let's try to get one for everybody else in here. These boxes are fun. You get a couple of numbered cards. You get auto jersey. You get either points or 3 autographs. Every once in a while you get a pack that's all numbered, which would be sick. Hot Rookies would be considered hits for Bad Luck Day. And all your separated out packs. Okay, so we got a little pack, big pack, pack. Okay, so this pack will have, generally speaking, 48 base cards and 2 numbered cards. Like I said, 1 out of every case, so 1 out of 16. This pack is all numbered. First one is not numbered, so this one will not be an all numbered pack. So we can just skip through all of these. To the middle here. And on the board finally, XX though. Steve Smith. Numbered 82, is that his number? Nope. 82 out of 99. Scorecard. And a bear. Jay Cutler, numbered 66 out of 99. And that, generally speaking, will be all of these are all just base. That's a nice looking base. I like them. So we got Jay Cutler. I think Roy had the Bears. Roy did have the Bears. There you go, Roy. Jay Cutler out of 99. There's also generally 1 die cut card in here, which is pretty nice. That'll count. Nah, it won't count as a hit. Unless it's numbered. Steve Smith out of 99. The XX still got him on the board. Okay, I believe this is the rookies pack. Nope, that is the auto jersey pack. I guess we'll open it now. Whatever pack this is, we will open now. We got a Brothers in Arms base insert for the Panthers. Andrew Luck for the Colts airmail. That's pretty sweet. I won't count that as a hit, but I will put it in a little case for you. We got Brothers in Arms for the Giants. We got Brothers in Arms, for the Seahawks. XXL. Numbered out of 50 for last year's Super Bowl champs. Those 2 aren't numbered, right? Nope, the other ones are not numbered. XXL. Brothers in Arms out of 50. We also got an airmail card. Kind of a cool looking die cut card. Andrew Luck of the Colts. That we won't count as a hit because there's 1 in every pack. That will go to Keith. Seahawks was Seahawks and Ravens. Yep, XXL. Nice. Andrew Luck. Little die cut at the bottom. And you hit. There's two. I'll show this Pierre Garçon card after. Your hit is nice. Oh, that's a cool looking one. That's a sweet jersey. Joseph Randall, Cowboys baby. After a disappointing loss yesterday, they come through today for me. That is a sweet piece of jersey. Not numbered. Wow, with that cool piece of jersey, I thought it would be numbered. I'll think of what do we need. Looks right. And it is. Oh, wow. Pierre Garçon one is sick. Joseph Randall auto. Not on card. Sticker. Jersey. Wow. I didn't think the Pierre Garçon one would be nothing but XXO. Another one for you, man. Told you we'd get you some this one. 5 out of 5 die cut green for the Redskins. Wow, we've had a couple of nice cards. It's a die cut green airmail. 5 out of 5 for XXO. He's had a couple nice cards already. These two are not numbered. And that is the end of that pack. Usually they open that second to last, not bad. Here is the Hot Rookies pack. Again, 1 out of every case of these is all numbered. So if the first one is numbered, which it's not, XXO is killing this break though. That is CJ Mosley. Hot Rookies. I see green. Green is usually very good, guys. It's usually like out of 5 or out of 6 numbered card. CJ Mosley Hot Rookie. There you go. Jordan Matthews, Hot Rookie. It is out of 6. That is sick. Jordan Matthews, Hot Rookie for the Eagles. Do I have the Eagles? No, Josh has the Eagles. Huh, I didn't even know that. Josh with the Eagles. With the Jags, out of 6. Derek have the Jags? Derek with the Jags. Storm Johnson. Not sure exactly what he did this year, if anything, but 3 out of 6. Oh, we have had some low numbered cards in this. These will be all base rookies. And we'll still probably give them to everybody. We got Khalil Mack of the Raiders, Cyrus something for the Bills, Damian Washington for the Cowboys, Jimmy Garoppolo for the Patriots, Troy Nicholas for the Cardinals, Dre Archer for the Steelers, Ryan Grant for the Redskins. Last pack. Now before I open this pack, I just want to say that there could be points. If there are points, I will probably I will random them off at the end. I will see what teams did not have cards in here. If a team has a card in here, it won't count it'll count as a hit, so they won't have a chance at the points. I've seen 2 points. I've seen no points a lot. So the Panini points, you go to the website and type them in. Hopefully we have none and they're all autos, but if you get 300 points, you usually get a nice auto. So let's see what we got. We don't have any points. Our first auto is for the Cardinals. Jake Ballard. Inscriptions. Interesting. I haven't really seen that one. Cardinals. I'm going to E. Jake Ballard. Next auto. Ooh. Paul Richardson out of 25. Numbered 1 out of 25 for the Seahawks. XX throw. Dominate in this break, man. 1 out of 25. Paul Richardson. And the last auto is D. Ford for the Chiefs. Number 22 out of 99. Last Chiefs, Derek took the Chiefs at the end. Numbered out of 99, D. Ford. Paul Richardson card out of 25 is very nice. XX throws are going to be pretty happy with me. One out of 25. Paul Richardson. Nice card. And I'm not sure much about Jake Ballard, but looks like a veteran signature. He's a tight end sitting out 2012 with knee injury. Looks like he had a knee injury and then he came back and is playing supposedly. So Jake Ballard, I think, going to E. No points in there, so it makes it easy. Let's go through who got what. We got Cardinals. Ishan has the Cardinals. Jake Ballard auto. XX throw, Paul Richardson, Seahawks out of 25. Derek D. Ford getting the last team of the Chiefs. Storm Johnson out of 6 going to Derek. Hot rookies. Eagles going to Josh. Jordan Matthews. Hot rookies. CJ Mosley going to XX throw. Pierre Garçon airmail out of 5 going to XX throw. I got lucky with Joseph Randall. It's a patch jersey auto. Andrew Luck, die cut. Colts going to Keith. Brothers in Arms out of 50 going to the Seahawks. Steve Smith out of 99 going to the Ravens. Jay Cutler out of 99 going to the Bears and Roy. I got to keep Mike Glennon out of 40. Derek with Marcus Wheaton out of 99. Lex Burkhead going for the Bengals and Josh. And Alec Ogletree going to the Rams and E. So that is going to do it. I don't know. Keith might not have gotten a real hit. I think he got a hot rookie, which we will probably count. But and that is going to do it. J-Wags didn't get much, but I will ship him out a bunch. And that is going to do it. So thank you guys.